This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features a brown Dr. Wood interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, TV, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, external shower, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is 9,291 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.